I need to show how to set the actuator link in the right position to reassemble it. This is the little installation tool. Toyota apparently quit making them, so we're starting to 3D print these things. But I never studied it before, but you have to get this in just the right position for the tool to go in, which is what it's for. And then it also serves a second purpose to hold this loose piece in position while you put it in the car. But after you rebuild it, the GSA, this actuator can be parked anywhere from clear out here to all the way in. And likewise, the other actuator that's buried in there in dark can be anywhere from up here all the way to down there. So you have to get, it looks like if it's in the right position, that little slot where the position sensor goes is about, looks like it's about dead center in the window. And likewise over here in that window, if you put the little popsicle stick right in the center of the groove, it looks like it's about centered. That'll get you in the ballpark. And then the check to make sure you got it right is to, sorry about my video, is to drop the tool in there. And if it's not, you can push the actuator and the little link either in and out or rotate it to where this little tool will slide in. And once you get it all positioned, I've jiggled it out of position. There we go. Once you get it all in position, just leave that in while you put it in the car, and then that'll help hold it while you put the shaft in and get that bolt in there. And then just yank, and once you get the bolt in, yank this piece out.